So I've had this question. Can soda dissolve eggshells? Because also, if you didn't know, eggshells and our teeth are made up of the same material. It is calcium.
The point of this experiment is to see which drink out of these four are most harmful to human teeth. So the four drinks I'm going to be comparing is Pepsi and water and black coffee and green tea. My prediction is that Pepsi will have the most tinted egg.
So all these 4 cups are 9 centimeters, like fully, and I filled 7 centimeters of them. The yellow one, this one, is 8 centimeters, and I filled 4 centimeters of it. So yeah, and I used this 30 centimeters scale.
And our teeth also have small little cracks that even we can't see even with a magnifying glass. So, and also eggs do also have cracks.
So the first one is packed orange juice, which is this one. This one is filled with Sprite. The other one is filled with water, and it's from filter water. Green tea, and yeah, I haven't tried it yet. The last one is a natural homemade orange juice, which we all eat. And most of the times, we drink the juice.
I'm gonna put soda in one of the glass. And I'm gonna put a egg in it. Okay. So there's actually a reaction going on in the soda.
And the last one is the packed orange juice, which is probably have a lot of sugar in it. So right now there are bubbles on the egg I can see, and for like the most of them, like tiny little bubbles, you can't see them through camera, but if you look closely you can see if you try it out by yourself. And the one not only that you can, I think, see it is the Sprite, which obviously have a lot of bubbles all over it.
And I am going to put a bowl around them just in case it does have a difference. And I'm gonna wait 24 hours.
I'm going to wait for 24 hours, and then tomorrow I'm gonna come back and see.
After 12 hours, here are the final results. Obviously, the least affected egg was water, and the most affected egg was black coffee.
So it has been about 24 hours since we last saw the egg, and let's see how it is. So I actually see some residue on top over here. I don't know if you can see it from the camera. I see some weird things, like there's this weird reflection and there's no light on top of it, so it's not from the drink. It's as if like there's mold over here. It doesn't show on the camera, but then there's actually a mold kind of thing over here. Oh, it has definitely changed colors. there's actually, there's, the color didn't change over here, so you can see the difference after, how it was before and how it is after. And it's actually not really, the texture didn't change at all.
So first I'm going to start from this one, the canned juice. This is exciting. Oh my god. This is really weird. Oh god. Look at this. There are bubbles on it. Sprite. It haven't changed anything. White. That's why I think I have to start taking a black soda. I'll do that experience too. This is just a fail, and we all fail in our experiences in life, so it's okay. Water, the next one. Water is completely okay. So the other one is green tea. Oh my god. Wow. The color changed. Wow. And the other one is, oh god. Yep. This is the other one. Ooh. They obviously are also gross. Okay, so let's start with the canned juice. Look at this. Oh my god, it's slippery. This is the canned juice. If you look closely, you can see bubbles on it. These are like hard bubbles. Oh my god. You can obviously see that everything in this canned juice is food coloring. It's all of them food color. Look, this is all just the color on it. It's orange color juice. Oh my god. What do we eat? Drink. Yeah, drink. And this one is the green tea. Look at this. This is completely like brown. Imagine if this was our teeth. And this is the orange, natural orange juice. Oh my god. It looks so bad, but when I look closely, I see, there's some stuff on it. It feels like I put sugar on it. See? See them? It feels so weird. And the juice is completely, yeah.
And then I'll go wash it to see if, yes, there's the egg, but it's still like stained. Like, this is the stained egg and this is the normal egg, so you can see the difference. But it only did get stained, but then it's not like soft or anything. So even the stained part came off, but then it's still like slightly stained over here, and this is like the I didn't wash it, so you can see the difference.
This was fun to see what kind of things, I kind of am shocked how bad these things can be for your teeth, obviously. But this was a fun experiment, and this time we failed a little for this Sprite one, but I am going to buy we all should always experience and know about something. It's better for ourselves and our daily lives. If we want to live healthy and happy, we should obviously know what we're drinking, what we're eating, and a little experiment won't hurt. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed.